This is Jared at Weber Brothers bringing you another example of a front clip. Today we have a 2021 Audi A6 in silver. This particular front clip is going to be headed to New York to a customer. So we're in the preparation stage getting it ready for shipment. So as you can see, dash has been removed, no airbags. We're going over to make sure all the paint's in good shape. So hood, fenders, front bumper, headlights, all been checked out. Over here we got a bag full of all the goodies, air filter, tubes and housings, things of that nature, splash shields. Checking the headlights, the cover for any damage, and the grille. Having found nothing, really nice, clean front clip. This customer is going to be happy. Get you in the hood, show you what we got. So you can see we've got the cooling pack, rad condenser fans, rad supports all there. Usually we leave the cooling lines in place, cap them, try to not cut them. Same with the AC lines. Everything is in that bag that we showed you previously. So I'll give you a good overview here. There's the fan and all the tubing. Tons of great parts in here. If you're rebuilding a front clip, this is the way to do it. So if you have any questions, let me know. Here's my contact information.